We'll guide you through how to change color in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to change specific colors in their videos or logos without affecting the entire image. This is useful for branding, fixing color issues, or creating creative looks. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to change color in Premiere Pro, so it is easy to recognize later. After naming the project, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer to keep everything organized. Once all settings are ready, click Create to open the project workspace and access the editing interface. Next, click File from the top menu to import the media you want to use. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. Choose the media file you want to import, for example the GuideHub logo, then click Open to add it into the project. After the file appears in the project panel, drag the logo onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This logo will be the main object where you will apply the color adjustments. Once the logo is placed on the timeline, go to the Lumetri Color panel, which provides tools for advanced color editing. Scroll down within the panel until you find the Hue versus Hue section. This section allows you to modify specific colors without affecting the entire image. Click the Color Picker or Eyedropper Tool to activate it. Then move your cursor to the program monitor. Click on the color in the logo that you want to change, and Premiere Pro will automatically create control points on the color curve. After selecting the color, adjust the color nodes in the panel according to your needs to shift the selected color to a different hue. You can drag the nodes up or down to refine the color change and achieve the desired look. Make sure the result still looks clean and consistent with the design of the logo. Repeat the same steps by selecting other colors using the color picker and adjusting their nodes accordingly.